currently raining really hard outside. It's been raining literally all day, and I've just been having a blast because I love this type of weather. It's so easy to just like romanticize your life a little bit. Like, it's thundering, it's just awesome, and I have my cat and my dog in here with me, so we're just chilling. I've been working on a little video, so that's going up right now, and I've just been watching a lot of YouTube videos and some of Gilmore Girls, but I finished listening to the audiobook Kafka on the Shore by Murakami. This is my first Murakami book. I don't know, it was interesting, and I did have some characters in there that I really liked, like Mr. Nakada, I think that's his name. He was one of my favorite characters, and at the end, analyzing the whole book and the whole story, it's actually very interesting. And I tried explaining it to my boyfriend, but it was really hard because it was kind of hard for me to understand. But I love books that you can go back and analyze, and I love books that make you really think about things, and this was definitely one of those books that made you be like, everything had like a very deep meaning. And I really would like a copy, like a physical copy, so I could, you know, write things down and underline and whatever. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have some clothes in the washer. I don't know what else to do. I don't really want to do anything else. I kind of want to watch The Virgin Suicides. Let me show you guys this copy of, I don't think I showed you guys, but I went to the thrift store the other day and I found this beautiful vintage copy of The Virgin Suicide, so let me go find that. This is the copy. Isn't it gorgeous? Like, look at it, and look at the back. Oh my goodness, I literally love vintage books so much. It's like in the best condition ever as well. So let me try to find what year this is from. It's gorgeous. This was from 1993. It's so beautiful. The simplicity of the spine. Wow, I'm in love. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna carry on with my very lazy day.
Asleep. This one's empty.
Look at him. So I go home today from work around 4:30, and I've just been here in my room chilling, really not doing much, just watching a bunch of YouTube videos and resting because it was a pretty hard day at work today, but it was a really good day and I enjoyed it. But yeah, I'm taking advantage of the fact that the days are ending a lot later than they used to, or than they usually do. I think the sun is currently setting around like 8:30, almost 9 p.m, which is really exciting because that means I can spend a lot more time outside enjoying the day. And I love being in my room while the sun sets. It's just really awesome. I'm going to go downstairs, eat something, and then I'm going to make myself a nice coffee, and I'm gonna continue reading. I woke up this morning and started reading, I kept reading this book. This is Howard's End by E.M. Forster. I really like this book, even though it's been taking me like a century to get through, but I promise I'm gonna finish it this month. And yeah, I know that once I put time into it and I get hooked on it, I'm not gonna be able to stop reading it, and I'm gonna enjoy it. So that's what I'm going to try to dedicate a lot of time today to reading. And then later tonight, I think I'm just going to either watch Gilmore Girls or Downton Abbey, because I haven't watched Downton Abbey in a while, and that's one of my favorite shows because it's so comforting. So I might go back to watching that, or I might just watch a movie. I don't know. I might use my projector because I haven't used my projector in forever, so I might do that just to make the vibes extremely cozy and comforting. But yeah, I'm hungry, and the more I sit here and talk, the faster the day is gonna end. So